Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do this Valentine's Day blues look with an upside down heart on your eye. This look was inspired by a theme that my best friend Julian came up with. His Instagram is going to be Julian.Mua, and he also did a look to go along with the theme as well. So go ahead and check him out on Instagram. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with the tutorial by priming my eyes with my NYX Jumbo pencil and setting that with my RCMA translucent powder. I'm going to go ahead and place this under my eyes to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow and put it all over my eyes to set the concealer. Not the concealer, the NYX Jumbo pencil. Okay, I'm going to take my Cotton Candy liner by Jelly Bean in this light blue shade. I'm going to go ahead and outline the heart. I'm going to start with my lid and just doing like a triangle shape. I'm going to keep my eyes open as well so that I can see what it's going to look like when my eyes are open. And this part doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a guideline to go by for when we add the eyeshadow, but just do your best to get like a good base going. So I'm doing kind of like an upside down U shape for the bottom of the heart underneath my eye. Okay, so once you have your base, you can go ahead and take an angled brush and dark blue eyeshadow. This one is by ColourPop, and I'm gonna go ahead and just darken up that that line that we originally did with the light blue liner, and just darken that up and do kind of like an outline of what we already have with the eyeshadow. Okay, so there's pretty much the guideline that I'm gonna go off of to finish the entire look. I'm gonna go ahead and take a smudger brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of blow out the edges, or like diffuse the edges so that they're not so harsh. So next I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take that light turquoise blue shadow there at the bottom, and it's like a shimmery shade. I'm going to use that to kind of blend out the edges a bit more. And this look, this color was a bit green, so I went ahead and went over that with a lighter blue eyeshadow as well. And you'll see that in just a minute here. But I'm going to go ahead and use this one first just to blend the edges more. I also want to go back in with the dark blue eyeshadow as well, just so I can keep it defined as well. When you're blending, you kind of lose some of that definition, so just putting that back into the outline as well. Yeah, and I also remembered my tongue was blue too as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that edge of that heart out with a light blue that I have from that palette. And that palette's just like, it has like almost 300 shades in it, so it's just like a colorful palette. But any light blue would do for this look. And as you can see, it's coming along perfectly. You just want to make sure you have it blended. That's the key. Am I the only one who loves to have good music playing when you're doing your makeup? It's like the most satisfying thing ever. So you just want to go back and forth, just making sure everything's blended. Go back with the dark blue and the light blue. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a black eyeshadow and outline that even further, just so that it's more defined. You want to start off with very little and then work your way up and just keep blending. Those are the most important things. You don't want it to turn into like a muddy type of a mess. You don't want the colors to all look like they're just one color either. You just want to have a nice gradient and just make it look very blended. So I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush along with my Age Rewind concealer in Fair, and I'm going to go ahead and sharpen up the edges to fill in the heart shape. Kind of like cutting the crease, but it's just going to be where the heart is at. Okay, so this is what it should look like so far. And I'm going to go ahead and just set the rest of that concealer in with the RCMA translucent powder. Next, I'm going to take a white shimmery eyeshadow. I'm just taking this one from my MAC palette, but I'm going to take that, spray my brush, and fill in the white shape, or I'm sorry, the white part where the heart is at, not filled in. Oh, it's so hard to get out. So yeah, just going ahead and filling that in with white eyeshadow. Thinking back on this look, I could have done like a light blue, like an icy type of a blue shade in the middle, but I think the white looks good as well. Either way, you can pretty much use this look whichever way you think it would look good. So next I'm taking a white glitter. This glitter is by Revlon. I'm going to go ahead and take that on the back of my hand and just place that on my lid, just to give it a little bit of more shimmery, glittery type of look. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the eyes. Now I'm just taking my Precious Petals highlighter by Wet n Wild, and then I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow and I'm going to put that on top of that just to give it like a bluish hue. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my black eyeliner. I did want a black lip, but I don't have a liquid lipstick for that, so I'm just using my black eyeliner. I'm just going to fill my lips in with this and then clean up the edges with my foundation. Okay, so this is what it looks like with just the lips and the eyes done, but I did want to be a little bit extra, so I added some more Revlon glitter in a blue shade and mixed it in with the white shade on the back of my hand here, and I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter tears. You don't have to do this step, but I just wanted to be extra, like I said. And then a little bit later on, you'll see me add some more glitter, and the glitter that I'm going to be adding on is a light blue shade by J-Cat. Okay, so there's that second glitter. I'm just going to add that right on top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my finishing spray, and that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to this channel as well. I definitely want to come back with some more looks, and don't forget to follow my good friend Julian.Mua on Instagram. That's Julian.Mua, and go ahead and show his Valentine's Day blues look some love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.